Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and in this video we will learn the concept of XLOOKUP. We have the certain data which includes the employee ID column. We have the second, which is the employee name column, and the last one we have the employee salary column. We need to use the XLOOKUP function and we need to find out the certain data by simply using the employee ID. So we simply insert here employee ID, and according to the ID we will get the name and the respective salary of the employee. And how we can do this? First of all, we simply select the cell in which we want to use the XLOOKUP function, and after selecting the cell we simply need to insert the formula. Like I simply select the cell and write here equals to XLOOKUP bracket open, and after opening the bracket we need to insert the three instructions. The first one is the lookup array or search key, so we simply need to select the employee ID column for the first instruction. Then second one we have the lookup range. So for the lookup range we need the employee ID column, and the employee ID column B we need to select it. And the third one is result range. So we need the name, so we select the whole name column, and then we simply need to close the bracket. This is how our first instruction, this is employee ID, then second instruction employee ID column, and the third instruction which is the name, so we select the employee name column. This is how we have given the three instructions. Then press enter, and now we simply need to drag the same formula to the salary, so it will automatically implement here. Now if I drag the formula to the salary, so the formula is also implemented here. Now if I write here employee ID like 2001, so you can see here the name of the employee. Now if I test again the formula like 200 or 2012, so you can see here the name of the employee and the salary. This is how you can use the XLOOKUP function. You simply need to give the employee ID column and it will return the name of the employee and the salary of the employee. We can test the function as well by using the different formats as well.